Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here at Zoo Tampa in Tampa, Florida, and today we are here for a private brunch event where we are going to eat brunch with a bunch of zoo animals. It's going to be so much fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright y'all, like Lewis said, we are here in the good old Tampa Zoo, one of my favorite places to come. So we're really excited. So for my birthday this year, Lewis purchased us brunch with the animals. We'll show you guys where it is and all that kind of stuff, but we're super excited. I had the best husband in the world, so we're going to get a full spread.
It's a wild weekend brunch.
Wild weekend brunch. Okay, so all the things. So we're going to have some brunch, maybe make some animal friends, which I'm all excited for, and then yeah, we're going to just see what else we can see.
I'm not sure what animals there are, but I think I saw some pictures of maybe like a porcupine.
What? I'm excited.
We'll see.
I like porcupines. When they walk, all their quills jingle jangle together. It's like bells on a cat.
So in order to get access to this, you do have to purchase separate tickets, which are available through the zoo. So that way you go through the zoo's website, go to their website, make a reservation. Tickets are $60 per person, and it does not include admission to the zoo. So you have to purchase admission to the zoo separately. Yeah.
So with that, we are pass holders here at the zoo because, of course, we are. And then yeah, we're gonna walk around. They're not quite open yet. I think brunch starts at 10. And then, yeah, we'll just let you guys know what it looks like. All right, cool. All right, guys, so first one we're finding here, right over there is the Aldabra tortoises, and we'll link below where we did a behind the, in the enclosure tour with those guys. But coming up this way, this is the Oasis Savannah, this building right here where you guys can get lunch or dinner, but panning over this way, right over here to Riley's Reserve. That's where we're gonna go. So we have a little sign, this is private event.
Yeah, so this is back in the Africa exhibit, if you didn't know. So if you're familiar with the zoo, it's pretty much all the way to the back and to the left. This is where the elephants and giraffes and tortoises are. And as far as timing goes too, the brunch event starts at 10 a.m. The zoo opens at 9:30, so you got about 30 minutes from the time that you walk in to get back here to the brunch event. It's not one of those things where you have to show up early because the doors are not even open yet, so we're kind of all just waiting around, waiting for them to open the doors.
So we got 2 giraffes here, 2 giraffes back there, a pack of pachyderms, which I just like saying.
I'll tell you what, this is the earliest we've ever been to the zoo. And all the animals are active, even the tortoises.
Lewis's favorite.
Oh, that was all the activity you get for today.
That was all the steps. No more steps for that guy today. Oh no, this guy's gonna get pushed over. Yeah. Why is his friend ramming him? He said, hey, wake up. The Professional Weekenders were here, trying to get your picture.
Yeah, these ones are moving around a little bit. So there's also this other big guy over here too.
Yeah.
I think these boulders are alive.
Yeah. It's got a long tail. Alright guys, let's open the door. And let you guys know what it looks like once we get in. Ready?
Super excited.
Alright.
I'm hungry too, brought my appetite.
Alright babe. First impressions.
Yeah, so this is really nice. It's so we got a really nice set table here. We are right up front, which is spectacular. Maybe that's because we booked this so far in advance. I booked about a month in advance. But yeah, just a private table of the 2 of us, which is also great. And we're right up next to the buffet, and I assume this is probably where a lot of the animals are going to come because there's quite a bit of open space in front of us as well. Yeah, and as I mentioned, it's a private table, so which is really nice because sometimes, you know, social anxiety, you don't really want to sit next to some random person, so this is great. I think it seems, you know, obviously a table for 2 is the same size as if they do a table for 4, and they got larger tables for larger parties.
We were offered a welcome mimosa when we got here, but here is the included versus what you pay for by the boss.
Yeah, so you get the mimosas are actually unlimited with adult reservations. So here is a look at the buffet. So we got all the bread options, potatoes, scrambled eggs, and bacon. And they also have a cook-to-order omelet station. They have some rice, grilled chicken, chicken tenders, mac and cheese, and Alfredo sauce. Take a look. Ooh, looks tasty. And then down here on this end they have cook-to-order prime rib. They also have turkey breast. And over on this table we have all the desserts, little cupcakes and brownies. And of course it wouldn't be the zoo without banana pudding. Finally, here is the bar with the mimosas, as well as orange juice, tea, lemonade, and the rest of the bar. Of course, they have coffee. And down on this end, we have some appetizers with shrimp, and looks like some various meats and cheeses. All right, so that's an overview of all the food that they have here. I think we're gonna go ahead and dig in.
I'm very excited. I heard that there's mac and cheese here.
There is.
Okay. I appreciate it when like you're getting breakfast or something and they give you like the full cup of juice, not like the little shot glass juice.
Yeah.
Like that is like 16 ounces of.
Well, and it's self-service too, so there's options for ice. I don't like ice in my juice, so I just filled the whole cup full of apple juice for you, orange juice for myself, and here is my first round of food. Got potatoes, sausage, bacon, cooked to order omelet with all the fixings, and a little bit of mac and cheese.
Alright, and now I'm gonna go pick out some more adventurous things because I'm not doing breakfast, I'm doing breakfast.
All right, so first impressions, just getting started on my breakfast here, and I can tell you that this omelet is amazing. They let you pick everything that you want to put in it. So you got mushrooms, spinach, onions, ham, bacon. It is delicious, and of course, you can add the cheese to the end. The guy flipped it over with perfection. It's cooked exactly the way you would like your omelets cooked. It's very good. I also want to mention too that they do have a various number of diet options. You can obviously go with your omnivore, your carnivore, vegetarian, but also they have gluten-free. And I did not get a good shot of this earlier, but look at how, this is Christine's first plate here. A little bit of appetizers there. Look at that strawberry. I don't know who cuts a strawberry like that. They took the time, the attention to detail. It looks fantastic. Normally I just eat them right off the, bite the tips off, that's all. But awesome. So Christine's plates look amazingly, a lot more healthier than mine. Still some, delights in there. But yeah, she's got, what do you got, green beans, chicken?
Yep, green beans. This is a Florentine chicken. I think it's like in like an Alfredo sauce, mac and cheese, because obviously. Some breakfast potatoes, some fruit, and some pastries.
How do you feel about it?
I'm pretty excited about it. So there is a wonderful zookeeper here who's walking around giving a bunch of fun facts about different animals. He hasn't come over to our table yet, but we'll hopefully see him in a second. But out there, you can kind of see some of the animals on the savannah. So we'll see if we can catch some clips of those guys when they walk by. So right through there, you guys can see the elephant. About to get shot killed, don't know. What just happened?
Oh yeah, so the zookeeper came by, told us some fun giraffe facts, learned all about their necks and about how they eat, and that I guess the trees that they eat in the wild have giant thorns on them, and they're able to coat those thorns so they don't mess up their digestive system when they eat them. But however, in Africa, they tell you do not drive over giraffe droppings. It'll pop your tires because those thorns are about this large.
Yeah, I guess they can't digest what the thorns is passing through. So, fun facts. You guys, they're bringing in buddies.
Yeah, we're about to see some animals.
Ambassadors are really good at their job here at the zoo, which is to help us to teach a little bit about their species and how to inspire you guys a little bit more to care for their wild counterparts.
They're bringing on a snake.
He realizes,
so that's a pumpkin spice latte.
All right, so they brought out the snake pumpkin spice latte, and they've invited us to come and see him up close. I don't know, some people are giving them back scratchies. I don't know. I don't know if we should get to touch them.
Yeah, I think we can touch them. You're going to give them back scratchies? I don't know if I want to give them back scratchies. Will you give me a back rub if I give them back scratchies?
We'll go check it out.
Okay. So fun fact about Christine. Christine does not like snakes. However, Christine is also on the adventure of doing things that scare her sometimes. So maybe I will touch a snake today.
Are you really?
Yeah.
That would be a first.
My anxiety just gone through the roof, even though I know it's fine.
They can't speak human, so they might not know that you're just there to help them.
Okay.
So you always got to make sure that you're keeping a distance.
I did it.
Okay. Good job, proud of you.
Thank you. What kind of snake is he?
He is a Woma python.
And where are they from?
Australia.
Australia. Okay, so I won't see him in my backyard. Good.
No, yeah.
These guys are really
I'm not
cool.
scared. She is. She's not a big fan of snakes at all.
Instead of wrapping around and squeezing, they're really smart that they'll use part of their body and like throw the prey and like push into.
How do you feel about it?
Measure snakes, they're never really fully out.
I'm really good. I'm really glad I did it, but I don't think it.
He is 17.
I thought he was super soft and really cuddly.
He was soft.
You want to invite him into our bed?
No.
Yeah, he can sleep with us at night. Like,
If you don't let Liberty in the bed, we're not letting a snake in the bed.
hey, the snake doesn't have any hair. That's the thing with the dog. I don't let the dog in the bed because of the hair.
I'm very proud of myself. I did the scary thing, but I don't know if I would want to do that again. Put it off the box. So pumpkin spice latte has been put away, and I think my anxiety has gone down about 50%.
He's still under the table over there.
Yeah, I know, and hopefully he doesn't know how to pick locks. So, all right, so with that, buddy number 2 is coming out, and we're gonna find out what he is. And he looks to be a little buddy, so we're gonna see.
I think this is the porcupine.
It looks a little too small to be a porcupine, but we'll see.
We have King, our three-banded armadillo. An armadillo. Hello.
Look at the bunny.
So this is Ping. Ping is a 3-banded armadillo. He's pretty small, huh? Has anyone here seen a 9-banded armadillo before? Yeah, they got some good ears too. They can hear pretty well, but they smell pretty well. And he does that all the time. Don't let him trick you that he's on his back stuck. He will make you feel bad, but I promise he can get back over.
So dramatic.
So he doesn't.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up our time here at the zoo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I had a great time seeing, surprisingly touching the snake, which is like a whole thing for me because I don't do snakes. But seeing Ping the 3-banded armadillo was super cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and here is this guy with the pro tips.
Alright guys, so we had an amazing time here at Zoo Tampa for brunch. It was really fun seeing all the animals. The food was delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. And here are your pro tips for a wild weekend brunch at Zoo Tampa. I'd say number one is, it is a little bit of an elevated experience. Most people did kind of dress a little bit nicer, you know, Florida nice, brunch nice. Maybe it's just my inexperience. I haven't been invited to very many brunches. Wonder why? But maybe a collared shirt probably would have gone a little bit further. I did feel a little underdressed, but not really out of place, so not too bad. Pro tip number 2 is, I would say, definitely make sure you bring your appetite, because there's tons of food here, and it's all so good. You got breakfast, you got lunch, obviously brunch, so lots of different things to eat, and it's all very good. And pro tip number 3 is, I would definitely say, don't feel like you have to be here right at 10 o'clock. They don't even open the doors until 10, so there's no point in getting here early. But some people did show up a little bit later, and they did allow you in. Just don't be too late, because the whole event really only lasts about an hour and a half. You want to make sure you have time to eat and see some of the animals before that's all over. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here. We'll see you next weekend.
Bye. Alright guys, like we was said, alright guys, that's what am I trying to say? My outro, right?
And that ticket does not include, so tickets are $60 per person.
You the tiger.
Yeah. So tickets, you can get as much as you want. There's option for ice. I don't like ice in my, okay. Yeah, so I'll turn your mic on.
I don't like how it's private tables. You're not sitting with some randos that you don't know.
Yeah, do you want to say that to the camera?
Well, no, you say it. You say it.